So I'm inside right now, and I see the stray cat that I filmed a video of yesterday. And he's just sitting out there, waiting for me. Can you see him? Hey, buddy. Aww. Hey. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. He's sitting out there over next to the fire that we have. Well, the fire pit's not on right now. There's a huge fire pit that we have for like burnable things and stuff. Alright, number one thing, we do not abuse animals, we do not abuse children, we do not abuse anything. So we do not set anything on fire except for cardboard and plastic and stuff like that. Just not these. Not that thing. Beep. That little thing right there. A beep. A beep. But he's just sitting out there. Dogs aren't out right now. Good thing of that. I don't think I've ever really filmed anything except for on TikTok of dogs. So, you guys out here. Oh, guys can see. Oh, you can. Hey, Duke. Hey, buddy. Yeah, remember how you only filmed you on TikTok? Oh, oh, ah. Yeah, you're a good pit bull. Oh, that one too. But, see, that's the inside house. We are in the wood line, and right about there is a trailer park. There's our swing set and stuff like that. But, kitchen. We're in the kitchen. Oh, God. But, I'm gonna keep you guys spinning. Alright, I'm done. You can tell from that. But, go this way. See the porch. This was supposed to be a video on, like, backyard stuff. But you go this way, there's a whole entire porch. See, we just have a lot of sausage and stuff up here. Why sausage? Oh wait, that might be actually be like baby food. Yep, baby food. I thought it was like sausage or something. Then we have like shoes and stuff. We probably keep the door open, but I don't like that a lot. Because like bugs can get in. But yeah, this is it.